Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. This is Ahmed Mahmoud al-Maghrabi, your brother from the city of Riyadh in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. I would like in this happy occasion to wish all my brothers in the country of Pakistan, our brothers there, the greeting of Eid and the wishing that this Eid will be happy for everybody. And this Eid comes to us every year after a 1 month of fasting. 1 month of fasting, every day we stop eating and drinking for the whole day. And that reminds us always on the how the poor people feel when they don't have food or drinks. This feeling give us the opportunity to give to the poor people, feel their pain, and that sort of feeling and giving is what we need to practice every day, not just few days every year. It's an honor and it's a duty for anyone who have the ability to give to the poor people.